Welcome back to another MySys video with Brandon Consulting. Today we're going to be talking about production using stock control. So in stock control, we're going to be working on assembly transfers right now. So for today's item number, we're going to use P50, which is our basic pencil. Now because these are sticky fields and I've already input one for the day, these are going to populate back. But if we come here, we can change our job, we can change the location, and we can change the quantity. Very easy to do that on any of them. So what we're going to do is right now we are assembling or disassembling stock. So what's going to happen is when we do this and we click assemble, it's just going to go. We assembled 200 in stock. Now we can also disassemble that if we need to. And we've taken 200 out of stock. Now if we need to allocate stock, what's going to happen is the same process is going to be followed, except for it's actually going to come over here to on order. So once we allocate these, and now we have 300 on order. Now we can assemble from that order, from our on order. When we come here and see how we have 300 here and 4,200 here. So if we assemble 200, it's going to take 200 from on order and put 200 to stock. See, 100 and 4,400. So that's basically how we do productions using stock control. When we're not using work orders, when we're not using manufacturing orders, this is a third way that we can do production. If you found this to be helpful, please like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Let us know what else we can do to help you. Thanks.